Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or find the master key, also known as a private key, in Trust Wallet. Let's get started. First, you want to open the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device, and once the app launches, you have to enter your passcode or use your fingerprint to log in securely to your account. Now, after logging in, you want to look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon. You want to go ahead and tap on it to open your settings. Or an easy method would be just by clicking the name of the wallet that can be located at the upper center of the screen. Mine says my main wallet 1. So go ahead and click this. From here, you will see all of your wallets. And now this section lists all the wallets connected to your Trust Wallet app. Now you want to select your main wallet, the one you want to enable or view the master key for. So let's go ahead and try it for the main wallet number 1. From here, what you want to do is you want to tap on it. You'll see two options: manual backup and Google Drive. If you choose manual, you'll be able to view your master key or private key directly on the screen. Let me go ahead and click this one. Just check this and this, then continue. Right now, it's not showing on your screen for security purposes, but I can already see my secret phrase or my key, master key. Now, once you have access to your master key, make sure to keep it private and stored safely. Do not share it with anyone because whoever has this key can access your wallet and funds. And that's it. You've successfully enabled and located your master key in Trust Wallet. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!